Want to make custom trophies fast and cheap? I'll show you my exact process from design to assembly, using nothing more than a laser cutter and a few budget hacks. Let's go! Trophy making doesn't have to be expensive or slow. In this video, I'll break down how I created these sleek laser engraved trophies for a client on a very tight budget and timeline. Stick around for the jig trick that saved me hours. First, the SVG file. I used Inkscape. I used the process exactly like in my simple SVG creation video. After importing it into XCS, I split the design into two layers. The first layer will be a static layer that will be exactly the same on each and every trophy. The second layer will be a text layer. And the reason for this is that the client wanted a different name on each and every trophy. So I needed a way to, with a minimum work, actually just be able to change the names. To get the size that my font should be at, I just took one letter out of the original design by releasing the layer and copying it out. And that gave me the size for the text. So now it's a simple question of just changing to the text font that you like, that's the same as theirs, and then selecting it to the right size. Then it's just doing the curve. Then you're pretty much set to go. Now you can change everything on the fly. Here's my game changer. I made a custom jig. Got a loose outer ring to center every trophy plate perfectly. No measuring, no misalignment. This alone cut my production time in half. The reason for the loose ring is that I also use it as a glue guide. So once we get to this point, we actually have to do the plates. I didn't want to go and measure the outside circumference area every time with everything. So yeah, extra pair of hands to just hold it for you, and then you literally just smear your glue and paste. Work smarter, not harder. Now, as you can see, this gives us great repeatable results very quickly. Split tasks between my two lasers for efficiency. So on my S1 I did all the cutting, and then the F1 Ultra will handle all the engraving, as it does that so much quicker than the S1. Assembly is simple but needs care. Always wipe off the excess glue immediately. Remember, I mean messy glue on professional trophies. Slow and steady will win, yeah. I had a boss that once said to me, when I asked him, do I need to clean this up? He said, well, if you need, you will. If you're not, you won't. Words to live by. All that's left now is to apply a little bit of finish, and there you go. It's all done. I think Sam from Samcraft channel nailed it. He said, we're in the solution business. Clients don't want laser goods, they want affordable solutions to their problems. That is how you stand out in a crowded market. Want more tips? Drop a comment below. Should I deep dive into jig designs or budget materials next? That's it. Budget friendly, scalable and client approved. Like this video? Hit subscribe for more laser hacks. Until next time, keep it real and keep those lasers working. Cheers.